channel. Welcome to my car. And today I have these are these Wisp Max Fresh. I also got some of the whitening ones here, but you can check these out. What these are little mini toothbrushes. So like while I'm keeping these in my car, and so while I'm driving around or something, if I feel like my breath is not fresh, or if I'm going to see somebody and I just ate or something, whatever it is, I can use these little things. And you can see, you look at it there, it's got the little, I don't know if it's gonna focus in very good. I don't know if I can click to focus. But whatever, you can see it there. It's got the little plasticky brushes. I mean, it's not gonna be a full toothbrush, but then it's got the little bubble of like toothbrushy stuff. I don't think it's really toothbrush stuff. I think it's more like a mouthwash kind of stuff. But whatever, it does that, and it works pretty good. And you just kind of scrub it all on your teeth. And then if you got stuff stuck in between your teeth, you got the little pick. I don't know, can you see that? Yeah, there's a little pick with a little sharp little pick, so you can pick stuff out if you got junk in your teeth. I don't know, my teeth are fine right now, I just brushed them. But this is what it looks like, and this is how it is. And it comes in a pack. I got a pack of, I think there's like 24 in here, and I got 4 of these, so it came with like 4 packs of them. And oh, it does have an expiration date on it, 2023, so they're good for another couple of years. But I like these things, so I give these things a thumbs up. I used them already a couple of times, just going around. I ate, and then I went to go see some friends or something, so I want to use them. So I like it, so thumbs up from me. I'm going to put a link to it in the description, so be sure to pick some up for yourself, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews as I find more stuff that I want to review that I like. Okay, bye.